4th of July. So what I want to show you what's going on here is that my family is going to be in a parade. We have my brother-in-law's van decorated. I'll show you everything. Hold on, let me spin you around. So we have the van decorated so beautifully. My mother-in-law's van decorated so nice. And then our family made a float. It's still not 100% put together, but I'll show you in the meantime.
That was a good idea, Lori.
Ah, so nice. Ah, and here's Dad, G-Pa, in honor of his military service. He's going to be in the parade too. And Aunt Jane,
Who loved 4th of July.
Oh my
to
goodness,
get light.
yes. My nephew Mark. And look how pretty Mom is, all decked out for 4th of July. She's the honorary head of the family, matriarch, going to be driving her van. Yes. I don't know where Jess went. I think he's walking the dog. 4th of July. Aww. You have anything to say prior to the parade? Do you have anything to say?
Prior to the parade?
Prior to the parade.
We can do this. Yes, we can. As long as we do it together.
That's right.
That's why it's a parade, not somebody walking down the street. Because they're together.
I didn't take them off. I don't know what you did.
They're right here.
So we are sitting on the float to go to the parade. Say hi to my mom and dad. Hi, happy 4th. Yay! Wait, Marilla, get on! She's all the way back there.
I don't know. I don't think it does. Just wait until you start moving. I'm pretty sure this is the bounciest. Oh, also, those poles are loose. Those are not tied to anything.
Oh, he's got.
Stop right now or I'm going back. Jeff, I'm serious. Stop.
All right, we're good.
She's a lifelong resident.
You must have. And there's.
We are decorating.
Yeah, see now you're gonna...
Yeah, I think it might be.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Lori, can you hand? Oh, no,
Yeah,
no,
just
that's
took
your
them.
stuff.
Yeah, just took them.
We are moving. Hi, babe.
What's up?
We have our float so nicely decorated. We have our flag. Happy 4th of July!